I have an announcement for y'all. Well, we have an announcement. Where did he go? Hey! Okay, the announcement. I'm gonna teach you how to crochet this guy. I've broken down the pattern into shorter tutorials that I'll be releasing each week, but I haven't filmed any of them yet. All the yarn I used is listed in the description, but feel free to use what you have or change up the colors however you like. You'll need about 52 grams of fiber fill for the whole project. I used a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, even if this is a weight 4 yarn. I've limited the need to sew pieces together, but you'll still need a bend tip darting needle. Having stitch markers will be helpful when we start crocheting some of the pieces together. I also use a row counter to keep track of my completed rounds. It's good to have scissors on hand to help you fasten off. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the tutorials. Thanks for watching.